Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable. Like, what does it mean? It means we have two linear equation with a two variable like 2x plus y is equal to 7 and another linear equation 3x minus y is equal to 8. So we have two linear equation 1 and equation 2. We need to solve it. So there are multiple ways to solve this equation. First, before solving it, we need to understand it. What is meant by solution of a linear equation? X and y, so that if we put the value of x and y in equation 1, it will satisfy. Even the same pair of x, y, if we put in equation 2, it also satisfies. What does it mean? Satisfy means the value of LHS is equal to RHS. So that if we put the value of x and y in equation 1, we will get a value of 7. Similarly, if we put this same x, y value in the equation 2, then we will get a value of 8. So, there are basically two ways we can categorize the solution. One is a method of solution, one is graphical method, and the other is algebraic method. So today we will learn the algebraic method. So in case of algebraic, we have mostly three kinds of method to solve this kind of question. First is substitution method. Second is elimination method. And third one is the cross multiplication method. We will learn all this method. For today lecture, we will only focusing on the first one, which is substitution method. The by name is itself, it suggests that what we will do, we will substitute. So right now we have two equations. Let me rewrite this equation again. It's a 2x plus y is equal to 7. We are calling it equation 1, and another is 3x minus y is equal to 8. We are calling it equation 2. For now we are calling it equation 1 and 2. By the method of substitution, what we can do, we will find the value of x or y from 1 and substitute this value in equation 2. So let's see how can we do it. So from equation 1, what we have? 2x plus y is equal to 7. So now what we can do, we can find the value of y from here. So y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now we have a value of y in term of x. Now substitute this value. Substitute this value in equation 2. So what is the equation 2? It's 3x minus y is equal to 8. Now from this value, we have the value of y in term of x. So just put this value is here. 3x minus y, 7 minus plus 2x is equal to 8. Now from here we can simplify it. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x, and if we solve it, so it become x plus 8 plus 7, which is 15. So from here we get 5x is equal to 15. Or if we solve it again, simply to x become 15 by 5, which is 3. So from here we get the value of x is equal to 3. Now we have a value of x which is 3. Now to find the value of y, what we can do, we can put this value in any of this equation, or this one, we can call it a. So we know that from a the y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Just put this value of x in here. The y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. So if we simplify it, the y become 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So we get the value of y is equal to 1. So we got a pair of solid. We got a pair here, x and y is equal to 3 and 1. Now if we put this value 3 into 3 and 1 in the equation 1 and 2, what we will get? We will see that the LHS is equal to RHS. Let's cross verify it. So we have equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. Just put the value of x and y in LHS. So here 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 1, which is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. We will now again put this value in equation 2 also to cross check that our solution is right or wrong. 3x minus y is equal to 8. Now just put the value of x and y. 3 into 3 minus y की value कितनी है here 1. So it becomes 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So we again, in both the cases, what we see, LHS is equal to RHS, or we can say our pair, our solution pair, our solution 3 and 1 satisfy both the equation. So it is the solution of that, the pair of linear equation. So this is the one way to solve this pair of linear equation. So in the next video lecture, we will see the another method, which is elimination method. Thank you.